Few sights on Earth are as humbling as a glacier, a vast river of ice shimmering in brilliant white and deep blue. These frozen giants stretch for miles, resting between mountain peaks or blanketing entire landscapes. Though they seem eternal, glaciers are dynamic, living systems, advancing in winter, retreating in summer. They carve valleys, create lakes, and give birth to rivers that sustain life, including our own. Glaciers are the planet's water towers, storing and slowly releasing fresh water, especially during dry seasons. They also help regulate global temperatures by reflecting sunlight, keeping our planet cool. But today, these silent giants are in peril, shrinking at a pace never before seen in human history. Their retreat is a solemn, urgent message about the health of our world. The story of glaciers is one of power and fragility, deeply intertwined with our own. To protect these wonders for future generations, we must understand their epic journey. Let's explore the life of a glacier, from its birth to its slow, heartbreaking retreat. The birth of a glacier begins with a single snowflake in the world's coldest regions. Year after year, snow accumulates, each layer burying the last. Under immense pressure, delicate snowflakes compress into firn, dense, granular ice. Over decades, firn is buried deeper, fusing into solid, crystalline glacial ice. This ancient ice absorbs every color but blue, giving glaciers their breathtaking hue. The transformation from snow to glacier is slow, taking decades or even centuries. Each layer traps dust and air, preserving a frozen record of Earth's climate history. Glacier formation is a continuous cycle of accumulation and transformation. From the smallest snowflake, nature builds monuments of monumental scale. When a glacier grows massive enough, gravity sets it in motion. Unlike a rushing river, a glacier creeps slowly downhill, a true river of ice. Deep inside, immense pressure makes the ice flow plastically, like a thick liquid. In warmer regions, meltwater at the base lubricates the glacier, allowing it to slide over bedrock. This combination of internal flow and basal sliding means glaciers move unevenly, faster at the center, slower at the edges. The brittle surface cracks, forming deep crevasses. Clear signs. The glacier is alive and moving. Glaciers reshape the land over centuries, their slow movement and unstoppable force. Their journey is silent, but their impact is immense. The glacier's flow is nature's quiet power in motion. As glaciers move, they sculpt the land with astonishing force. Rocks and debris embedded in the ice grind against bedrock, creating striations, permanent scars of the glacier's passage. Glaciers also pluck chunks of rock, carrying them away and reshaping entire landscapes. The most iconic result is the U-shaped valley, carved from once V-shaped river valleys. Glaciers create sharp peaks called horns, knife-edge ridges known as arêtes, and deep fjords where valleys meet the sea. When glaciers retreat, they reveal dramatic landscapes, lakes, tarns, and towering cliffs. Their artistry is evident in every feature they leave behind. Glaciers don't just pass over the land, they reinvent it. Their legacy is some of the most breathtaking scenery on Earth. A glacier's life is a balance between accumulation and ablation, gaining snow and losing ice. The lower end, or ablation zone, is where melting and retreat dominate. Meltwater streams carve channels on the glacier's surface, plunging deep into the ice through moraines. This water lubricates the base, accelerating the glacier's slide and hastening its retreat. For tidewater glaciers, the end is dramatic. Huge slabs break off and crash into the sea, creating icebergs. Calving events are awe-inspiring, marking the final journey of ancient ice. The rate of melting and calving responds directly to climate. Glaciers are sensitive indicators of our planet's health. Their retreat is a clear signal of change. The great thaw we witness today is a warning we cannot ignore. Glacier's fate is tied to the choices we make now. As glaciers melt and retreat, they leave behind evidence of their power. Moraines, ridges of rock and debris, mark the glacier's former reach. Lateral moraines line the sides, while terminal moraines show the glacier's maximum advance. Meltwater rivers, milky with rock flour, flow from the glacier's snout, nourishing downstream ecosystems. These rivers feed wetlands, replenish groundwater, and form the headwaters of major rivers. Meltwater sorts debris, creating outwash plains braided with shifting channels. The landscape left behind is a tapestry of moraines, plains, and kettle lakes. These features are the fertile foundations for new life. Glacier's final act is to shape and enrich the land. Their legacy endures long after the ice is gone. Today, glaciers worldwide are retreating at unprecedented rates. This is not a natural cycle, but a direct result of a warming world. Glaciers are vital water sources for millions, especially in Asia and South America. As they shrink, rivers first swell, then dwindle, threatening communities and agriculture. The loss of reflective ice accelerates warming, creating a feedback loop of further melting. Glacial meltwater is a major contributor to rising sea levels, endangering coastal regions. The retreat of glaciers is a stark warning, a symbol of our impact on the planet. Their loss is the loss of a vital part of Earth's life support system. We must heed their message and act to protect our future. The choices we make today will determine the fate of these silent giants, and our own.